I Now I can learn about how robots work and how I can make them. I can finally help my family to upgrade their technology.
I was like thinking before joining it, I was like the coding might be like hard, but then after the explanation I heard that I knew that the coding was not hard. You just need to like listen and then follow the rules like in a game. You don't like have to do like lots of math or anything like reading huge words or anything.
Yes, I will. There are still some parts in robotics that I still don't understand.
Like maybe if the robot can do that, something like fun, then I will join it. But if it is like not exactly what I wanted, I'll probably not join it. I want to like check out the robot because it can check your own temperature, and I was thinking like to put it on my front door so if people comes in they can check their temperature there. Also I was like interested because if I learn this simple robot first, then I can like make more different types of robots later in the future maybe.
A video game called Watch Dogs 2.